In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Steam game link, whether you want a friend to check out a title, add it to their wish list, or pick it up on sale. Sharing the official store page link is the quickest way to point them to the right place. First, open Steam on your computer. Give it a second to load fully so everything in your library appears. Once you're in, head to your library. This is where all your games live. If you have a big collection, you can use the search bar at the top of the sidebar to find the exact game faster. Click the game you want to share. Make sure you're selecting the main game entry rather than a soundtrack or a tool with a similar name. Selecting the correct entry helps ensure the store link points to the exact product your friend needs. Now you need the public store page for that game because that's what others can view without accessing your account. From the Games page in your library, open the Store page. If you prefer using the sidebar, you can also right-click the game's name and choose the option to view its Store page. Either way takes you to the official listing with trailers, screenshots, system requirements, and purchase buttons. With the Store page open, look for the option labeled Copy Page URL. Clicking this instantly puts the full store link on your clipboard. If you don't see that button, you can simply click into the address bar at the top of the window and copy the web address from there. The link will be a standard store.steampowered.com address that anyone can open in a web browser. At this point, you're ready to share. Paste the link into a message, an email, a group chat, or anywhere else you communicate. If you want to double-check it, paste the link into your own browser first to confirm it loads the correct game page. Keep in mind that prices and availability can vary by region and platform, but the link itself is universal and safe to share. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, go to your library, pick the game, open its store page, then copy the page URL or grab it from the address bar. Once you get the hang of it, you can create and share a link in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.